Hey, it's Lance, Mobile Detailing. We're back for another detail. Today we're out at Cooking Lake Airport, knocking out a 2018 Corvette. This thing is deadly. It's got red leather interior, all white. It's got some nice black little effects on the back and then on the front for the front chin lip spoiler. It's pretty nice. So we're gonna ceramic coat this one today. We have a few scratches to take out along the rear. We're also gonna remove the dealer stickers. I don't know why they love putting them on, but we're going to take them off so that it's more clean for the customer. We're going to have the rims off today. We're going to do wheel armor for Gtechniq. We're going to do crystal serum light for the paint, and then we're going to do ExoV3 for the top coat. As always, 2 coats of each. And then on the front glass, we're going to do Gtechniq's G1, G2, so that way it has the repellency for the water and helps get the bug guts off when you're doing 100 and a million miles an hour. But yeah, today might be a little loud. Got a bunch of airplanes going by, and yeah, it's all gonna be awesome. Okay, so the car is washed and the iron and tar, all of it's been taken out, fallout remover has been put on. And next we've lifted up the car and we've gotten it ready. So the reason that we lift the cars up and the reason that we take the rims and stuff off is because we're going to be cleaning the suspension by hand. It's really important to do that because you miss out on things like, if you'll come over here, I'll show you, usually on the rears, yep, here we go. So you'll see dirt and stuff that you can't get with regular washing techniques. So when you take the rims off, you'll actually see the dirt build up. You can take it off, you can wash it off all by hand. And then the rims, we're gonna coat them so it's easier just to take the rims off. And then come around here, I'll show you one of the scratches that we got from the dealership. So we found some other swirl marks and stuff, not a big deal, but this guy right here was whenever he bought it. So, and then it's up here. It's got a lot of beautiful flake in this piece, but we're gonna polish this out. I'm gonna have to wet sand this to blend it in. And then, yeah, we're gonna do ceramic coating. Then we'll wipe off the rest of this. We'll give those gorgeous tips a nice shine today. And then, like I was saying, just ceramic coat the crap out of it. Yeah, it's gonna be freaking gorgeous when it's done. I love this car. frames, and as you can see, everything is looking amazing. The last step of the actual package is going to be your glass coating. So we started with the polish, and then we're going to put the actual coating on, and then afterwards we're going to give you guys a final walk around of this beautiful 2 LT. Keep watching. All right, so we're all done. Customer's really happy. It's gonna be having us back probably next season for the airplane, which I'm super excited about. And yeah, if you guys have any questions or any comments, leave them in the like box, or actually hit the like box. That'd be cool. And yeah, whatever.
The sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.